Next, let us see some examples. Na machyan payasa saha abhya vaharet means fish and milk should not be consumed together. As I told it before, that fish or matsya is Ushnavirya and Madhur and milk is Shitavirya. Even then, both are Madhur in rasa, but this is Virya Viruddha. See, both Matsya and Kshira, Madhur in rasa and Vipak, but both are Avishandi. If taken together, it can cause Srotarodha, that is clogging of your channels. Srotarodha is one among the nidana of various diseases in Ayurveda. It is opposite Virya. Consumption of milk and fish together vitiates Rakta. It can cause hematological disorders. So many diseases occur after regular consumption of milk with fish. And one special mention has been there, like Chilchim fish is very difficult. It is amvish and it is casticides. It cannot be cured, or it is cured with difficulty. Next comes Sarvam cha amlang dravam dravyam cha payasa saha viruddham. Milk with citrus fruits. This is rasa and virya viruddha. In general, milk with sour substance, curdling or fermentation occurs. Then comes Kshira and Lavana. This is rasa and virya viruddha. As I told earlier, it should not be consumed. Then comes Pakchaita Haritang Mulakadi Payastyajet. Na Mulaka Lasuna Krishnagandha Arjaka Sumukha Surasadini Pakchaita Payasebya Kushthabadha Bhayat. After consuming mulaka or radish, if someone consumes milk, or if it is taken together in some way or the other, the person is susceptible to kushtha or various types of skin disorders. Here you see the qualities of Kshira and Mulaka are being compared. The rasa is Madhura and Mulaka is Katu. The Virya is Sita and the Mulaka is Usna. The Vipaka is Madhura, the Mulaka is Katu. Susuta's opinion on rasa viruddha can be applied here. Thus, this combination is viruddha by rasa, virya and vipaka. Next comes madhu cha usnang usnartasya cha madhu maranaya madhu pitva usna udakam. The harmful effects of usna samskara of madhu is proved by experimental studies also. So, it should not be taken. Next, Madhu Sarpisi Samagrete. This is the best example of Matra Viruddha. As I told it before, this combination creates HMF or hydroxymethyl perfuraldehyde, which is a poison to your body. Kangsha Bhajanam Dasaratra Payur Sitang Sarpi. Kangsha Bhajanam means the utensils of bell metal. If Dasaratra Payursitam Sarapi means clarified butter or ghee has been kept for 10 days in bell metal, then it becomes poison. So it should not be consumed. Rasaratna Samuchaya also emphasizes the same, saying that Kritam ekam vina cha anyat sarvam kanchagatam nrinam Bhuktam arigya sukhadam hitang satmyakarang tatha. This is as per Rasaratna Samuchaya, 5th chapter, 208 sloka, that Krita is able to give you arigya, sukh, it is hita and it is satmya, if it is not kept in bell metal or kanksha utensils. Next comes Phallataka with Usnodaka. Phallataka is Terminalia valerica and Usnodaka is hot water. Phallataka is Tikshna, it is Pittakara, it is Lekhana, it is Dahi, it is Paka and Sravajanaka. When it is consumed and after consuming this Phallataka, somebody has consumed Ushna Udaka or hot water, it is Upchar Viruddha. The Tikshnata, the Pittakaratva, the Lekhana, the Dahatva, the Pakatva and Sravajanaka will increase much more. Then comes Sita Jala Sevana after Snehapan. This means consuming cold water after consuming Sneha, Krita, etc. can be considered as Parihar and Upachar Viruddha. This causes Agnimandya and Ajirna. This means this causes indigestion and your loss of appetite. So this should not be taken. Now come to the diseases that has been mentioned to develop if a person consumes Viruddhahara. As per Charak, it has been mentioned that Shandya means impotency, Andha means blindness, Visarpa is erysipelas, Bispota is abscess, Unmad is insanity, Bhagandara is fistula in ano, Murcha, Mud, this means fainting and coma, Adhaman is flatulence, Galagraha is torticollis, Pandu or anemia, Amvisha is ama, formation of ama which can give rise to free radicals, Kilasa and Kusta skin diseases, Grahani dysentery, Sota is abscess, Amlapitta is acidity, gastritis, Pinasa is rhinitis, Santandosa means infertility and even death. So these are so many diseases, and you might be aware of Astamahagada, that means 8 diseases, dreaded diseases which have been mentioned by our acharyas, are some of them are being created only because of Viruddhahara. Vagbhata Acharya also has mentioned it can cause Vispota, Sofa, Gulma, Vidradhi, Zaksma, Tejo Vala Smriti, Indriya Nasa, Zwara, Astagadangsa, Mahato, Vishavacha, Mrittu. Sushruta also has emphasized saying that Vyadhim Indriya Durvalyam Maranam Cha Adhigachati Viruddha Sa Viryani Punjano Atmavan Naraha. This means those who are Atmavan, having self-patience, should not consume Viruddhahara. Now, if it has been consumed knowingly or unknowingly, so the treatment of Viruddhahara as mentioned by Charak Samhita is Baman Virichancha Tad Virodhinang Cha Drabhyanang Sansamanartha Upayagah Tatha Virecha Drabhye Purvam Abhisamskara Sarirashyati Viruddhasanajan Rogan Pratihanti Virichanam Bamanam Samanam Cha Eva Purvam Va Hita Sevanam Suddhira Stresta Samo Va Tad Virodhevi Drabhyas Tereva Cha Purvam Sarirasya Abhisanskriti. This means all our acharyas have advocated the use of Baman and Virichan, and all have emphasized on Purvam Abhisamskara or Purvam Hita Sevanam, means we should avoid consuming Viruddhahara or Nidan Parivarjan. Now common Viruddhahara in day-to-day life are, say, we are very much fond of it, milkshake. We all consume and we are habituated now. Fruit salad. It is one among our favorite dishes. So this is rasa and Viruddha. Intake of juice, ice cream, alcohol after hot and spicy meal. This is Upachar Viruddha. When we visit marriages or birthday parties, we always go for hot and spicy food, and after consuming hot and spicy food, we go for ice creams, fruit salads. This is Upachar Viruddha, should not be consumed. Taking bath after food is Vidhi Viruddha. We always do, or sometimes we do, or some of us are habituated to it. Taking cold water bath after exposure to sunlight, sometimes in hurry we do like that, but this is Viruddha. Taking milk, tea, coffee after consuming fish is Guna Viruddha. Consuming curd at night, which some of us are doing, is Kramviruddha. Honey with hot water is Samjagviruddha, or heated honey is also Samjagviruddha. Cooked food, again we keep in refrigerator. Refrigeration is done and again heated. This is Samskar Viruddha. Then preservatives and coloring agents added to most of our junk foods is Viruddha. Now, the role in manifestation of diseases of Viruddhahara, as it has been mentioned as Nidana of various diseases. In Kushtha Nidan, it has been mentioned that Viruddhahara is the first etiology or cause of disease Kushtha. Kushtha is skin disease, but these skin diseases are one among the Astamahagadas, means 8 dreaded diseases as per Charak Samhita. Ambat Nidan, that means Viruddhahara Chistesya Mandagni. Here also the first etiology of Ambat or rheumatoid arthritis has been mentioned as Viruddhahara. Viruddhahara is also one among the nidanas of Vata Rakta or gouty arthritis. Autoimmune disorders like RA rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, SLE or systematic lupus erythematosus is also leading disease which is caused by